This one digital product made me my first $100 in just 7 days. No followers, no paid ads, just a free Canva account and my laptop. And if I can do this, trust me, so can you. Hey friends, welcome back to Kamau Kozago, where we turn real creator skills into real income. Today I'm showing you exactly how I went from 0 to 8,000 rupee in 1 week by creating and selling my very first digital product, as a complete beginner in this space. Let's jump straight into it. On day one, I asked myself the question every beginner asks: what kind of digital product should I even create? So I did what any smart creator does. I opened Etsy and typed digital products. Boom. I found templates, planners, checklists, even AI prompt packs, selling like crazy. Here's what I noticed. Canva templates are super hot. Notion planners are trending, and people love anything that saves them time. So I combined both and decided to create a content calendar template for Instagram creators, simple, useful, and very sellable. I used Canva to design a clean 12-week content calendar, then imported it into Notion to make it interactive. All this took around 5 to 6 hours, and my product was done. Tools I used: Canva, free version; Notion, free; vidIQ to find low competition keywords like sell digital products, Etsy digital products. No tech, no team, no stress. Just coffee, Canva, and a clear niche. Now it was time to sell. I uploaded it to Gumroad. Free to use, beginner-friendly stand store, clean UI and no upfront cost. I made a product page with strong title using keywords, one short demo video, a nice mock-up made in Canva. Price: 399 rupees. To get eyeballs, I posted one Instagram reel inside 2 free Facebook groups and DM'd a few creators who might find it useful. Still, no ads, no email list, nothing fancy. Day 6, I opened Gumroad. Boom. 399 rupees from someone in Bangalore. My first sale. I won't lie, I was smiling like a kid with free Maggie. Then came 2 more sales, then 4 on the weekend. By day 7, I had earned 8,273 rupees, or $100.37, from a product I made once and uploaded for free. What worked and what you can copy? Here's what actually worked that you can do too. Solving a real problem. Instagram planning equals major pain point. Using simple tools, Canva, Notion. Selling where buyers are, Gumroad, Etsy, and Stan. Starting messy, perfection is a trap. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a big audience. You just need one useful idea, one weekend, one little push to get started. So, what kind of digital product would you create? Drop your idea in the comments. I'll read every one and maybe even turn it into my next challenge. If this video gave you even one spark of inspiration, hit like, subscribe, and let's build income streams together right here on Kamau Koza. Until next time, stop scrolling, start creating. See you soon.